That is the greatest. Good night, everybody. Oh, big up the artist. R.I.G. everybody panel. They don't know. Miss Mayor, big up, no flow. Thank you, guys.
Him say him out. So, Gaza fans are eat that food, not more funny for the night. We'll have to just accept we for the rest of the night.
All of the artists have to take pictures with my mom before you guys leave.
Kartel gone.
So at this time, if we can please put up.
The man. But you know what, Mavado, I not take no from you, you know. But you eat it. You know why I say you eat that? You know why I say you eat that? You make Alkaline trick you and take away all of your fans them.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So me shake it like a snake to your literacle. I saw me open wide like a window. Now dirty stinking scent now blow. In and blow me no stink like you.
Some gyal a good pussy liar. Your pussy never gets you a house or a spouse or a bed or a chair. Even your mouth could get you a bungle ear. The BBL stand for bumper blood clot. Low with payment plan for us and the boss. Still no go with salt like sea with the smell bad fishy.
Wait a minute.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
So when did really think we never get rid of spice? And I come talk about when I prefer pumpkin ginger more than spice. That girl never sing no it song boy.
God have mercy upon us.
Them smell body say, me dear. Pony buff and it a print out. I couldn't miss some gal a chat. I coulda what those stink mouth. Video my pretty.
Oh my God! Wow! Blood clot or Masicka there. February almost done. And Masicka is nowhere to be found.
So Spice PUM song is currently trending on iTunes viewers and subscribers at #1. But I know that we're really forward for talk about. So people, we have to talk about Spice and Tifa. How are going with Spice and Tifa? The people them are speculate say Spice and Tifa are share them one another in our song. Recently we saw where Tifa came out freestyling on the WYFL rhythm viewers and subscribers. And she has said some things. And also Spice did say some things on Fair record also viewers and subscribers, and it seems like both songs are correlate with them one another. So speculations are out there that Spice or Tifa a true shade of a Spice. Me don't know how that go, but we want to play the clippings in another vlog, and also we want to play another clippings with Spice in the gym. Oh my God, Spice! Me never know so you underneath fat. Viewers and subscribers who don't want to see Spice buff pan the treadmill. What them call it? Me don't even know what kind of exercise machine that them call it. But Spice then at the gym exercise. It look like a the PUM share exercise, because you can also see the split in the middle. So viewers and subscribers, we have that clippings to share with you. Plus also we have some other clippings in other vlog as bonus. So without further ado, people, make sure you like, subscribe and share, and hit that post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So make we kick off the vlog like this. So Tifa did a freestyle on DJ Max WYFL rhythm viewers and subscribers, and the people them are call her out stating that she had this Spice and I quiet. So viewers and subscribers, Tifa did the best thing by coming out and clearing the air, stating that I never Spice share this. It's just that you don't know how dancehall go already, and she always stay so with her songs them. She always a trace on the record. So she has said it's not nothing personal and nothing and Spice share this and also that thing, viewers and subscribers. But the people them feel to believe, them don't believe it. Them feel like say a Spice Tifa this. So people, me I go play the clippings with Tifa freestyle, and also me I go play the clippings with her clarifying up everything. Pray this.
Everybody a talk about pussy. Me not talk about man, cause who know it good, know it good. Some gyal a good pussy liar. Y'all, your pussy never gets you a house or a spouse or a bed or a chair. Even your mouth could get you a bungle ear. The BBL stand for bumper blood clot, low it payment plan for us and the boss. Still not go with salt like sea with the smell bad fishy. Need a cookie wash check star fishy fixie. Your pussy no presentable, your pussy disable like my foot. Them gal your pussy dance stable. And where the ring where you get me get couple. Never want a boy so a boy get shuffle. You have a big man stock man be a tree some for pay a bill your pussy don't up top it they are grung like street man. Walk on it and you a hype boy pussy favor. Dog vomit go seek a gynecologist. Me know you piss come and read the file clap that tea. So next time don't blood clot. Come for me I wear them here boot. Some gal
Boy, Tifa, I'm sorry, you know, but you can't convince me, say, I know Spice here talk, you know, because viewers and subscribers, we all know Spice love sing about her underneath, right? And we all know that Spice did a BBL. So, yo, viewers and subscribers, who no think, say, a Spice here talk, I should just make her song. Boy, the dancehall artists, them controversially friggin' up. Me don't know why them so controversial. Spice did a song recently, Panda Rhythm, yeah, and she was clearly singing about her underneath, right? If you was on subscribers, she stated that her underneath clean and fresh. That is the title of the song. So people, what do you think she had to shade off a Spice? Leave it in the comment section. But listen to what she had to say after, you know, after the backlash with people saying that a Spice shared this. Listen to what she had to say.
make some honest a baga. I love foolishness. Listen, I'm all sick and I'm quarantined and just jumping in my little home studio and say, you know, say, I attack the rhythm, make everybody a jump on the rhythm. Like, it's no, this song is no clash song to Spice. Like, look how Mac I unify everybody with it. Everybody a jump on the rhythm and it's so unified. Like, if anything, we don't even put the whole away as woman pan a tour. I would do an all-girls tour and yeah, so I'm come from something special for fans, but people come out of the mindset there. We not preach war, we preach unity. You know what I mean? I just remember me at the original chasing dancehall girl. I mean say chronic girl. So I just come out like that. It never have nothing to do with nobody, people. Drop it. Please.
People, who don't think say Tifa did the right thing by coming out and clearing the ear and make everyone know that Anna Spice she attack, or who don't feel like say she shouldn't do none of this, she should have just make the song go on, make it waves in her space, because she never called Spice name, and we know a lot of regular girls always talk about them underneath. The girl them always say, yo, them underneath can hold man, and do all sort of thing, but who don't think say she did right for come out and clear the ear, or one things so she should have just wall it and make everything go and brew. And if so be the case, she can make it official upon the DJ Mac rhythm and, you know, get some traction for the song, because Jaja God. But viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comment section. As I said, dancehall artists them full of controversy and them love to be talked about. Attention are where the dancehall artists them crave. And in some case, I kind of feel like Tifa's song was inspired by Spice clean and fresh song. Only make me know what you think in the comment section. Leave on the thoughts, viewers and subscribers.
Bottom gal smell bad like when garbage come out. Face are the prettiest, the sweetest, the cutest. It is stiff in my chest, my body are the neatest. I see the nicest when any beauty contest. Man, we confess, under me the cleanest.
So me see Spice post up a bumbo clock video there on her Instagram. Sorry for me explicit language, viewers and subscribers. But Spice post up a blood cleat video there on her Instagram. And viewers and subscribers, any man when I get aroused by what Spice post up, a batty man. People, Spice post up a video on her Instagram with the camera, a video are underneath, and I show the split and everything, and Jaja God. Spice know how to make controversy sells. Spice know how to make people talk about her all day, all night on the internet, viewers and subscribers. So, pre that video yeah, and tell me what you think. Jaja God Spice, you are going to wicked.
Them smell body say, me dear. Pony buff and it a print out. I couldn't miss some gal a chat, I coulda what do stink mouth. Video my pretty face where them a talk about.
A man, my name, you know, so you know it go already, you know. But viewers and subscribers, Spice, I do her thing, you know, she a go on with herself, you know. Yo, she hot up the internet, wicked. But viewers and subscribers, you know, we not gonna have some people when I rate Spice, when I like Spice. And it's just how it is. Spice, I gotta always be herself and she gotta always do her thing. She always love when the media talk about her. Remember the last time when she put on all of this white makeup and people think say bleach out and all sort of thing. But Spice love the media. Spice love controversy. And that me rate with her still, you know, she keep dancehall active even though sometimes she sing some song when it really make no sense. And yeah, she have a couple of good songs in her catalog. But Spice, the thing where the people them love talk about Spice is that she always sing about her underneath. What's so special about her underneath? And then you have a next set of people that say, oh, she sing about her underneath and she can't hold a man. God. But viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts and let me know what you think about the video where Spice posts on her Instagram where have the media go crazy.
You see Kartel go always win. No matter how them try to bring him down, I go always win. I swear to God. You see, the song when Mavado do Bad and Bumbo Claridge, I go be honest to you. That is just a normal gun song. Nothing special about it. But you see true Vendetta fans, the Crooks them and Bounty fans, true them not like Kartel, them do everything to make that song look like it the baddest song.
So this brother on the screen stated that Mavado's new song, Bad and Bumbleclot Rich, is not all that. But because everybody hate Kartel, well, he must say because Vendetta and Unruly and Genocide man them no like Kartel, them do everything to make sure that song they big or do the numbers, viewers and subscribers. So me I go play that clippings of phone ear all the way. I say, boy, the fans them, well, the Gaza fans them, I don't know something wrong with them, you know. Them not like see when nobody else winning, you know. So them find all sort of thing for discredit the artist them. So I must say Mavado's song is not all that. The song is like a weak song, just a regular song. So listen to him, I say, people, and make me know what you think.
You see Kartel go always win. No matter how them try to bring him down, I go always win. I swear to God. You see, the song when Mavado do Bad and Bumbo Claridge, I go be honest to you. That is just a normal gun song. Nothing special about it. But you see true Vendetta fans, the Crooks them and Bounty fans, true them not like Kartel, them do everything to make that song look like it the baddest song. Been do since him come out. But we have to just laugh, you know. Because here we know. You see on Spotify, you see that same song there where Mavado do with them a push up top. 3,000 streaming. 3,000 streaming no. You see Panic, where Kartel do 150,000 streaming. Remember on YouTube, you know, all them a talk about say, oh, Kartel dropping song before Mavado and look how Mavado song I got super pass him. Millions before Kartel. Wait there now. Wait there. 700,000. We Panic there. 1.1 million. You can't stop the man. You can't stop the man. But you know what Mavado me not take no from you know. But you eat it. You know why I say you eat that? You know why I say you eat that? You make Alkaline trick you. And take away all of your fans them. No, you not have no fans. Yeah, on iTunes, me see the number one. What guess that? How long you got the number one for? Remember, you not have no fans that who tell maybe you even spend your own money. You can't stop Kartel. Mavado me not have nothing against you. But if you see from the apps them back you, eventually your apps. So I just say go. One Gaza. Fully Gaza.
Boy, for some reason, you know, Gaza fans them are always a forward out and a display them emotions over the social media, you know. Chano, the man come like a crash out, him a crash out in a silence. The man a find all sort of faults with Mavado song, saying that Mavado nah no fans, him give him fans to Alkaline. You can't make this shit up, dog. Jano. Mavado still having fans, them, man. Which Gully fans in the comment section? Leave on comments and make me know how much Gully fans out there will say Gully same way. The man they give him fans to no Alkaline. Alkaline have him own fans. Yeah, him have some fans who say we rep Vendetta to we say Gully Vendetta because the linkage did farm them time there. But the man have him fans same way we support him, but Gaza fans them always find issues. If it no concern Kartel, them try to pull down or break down the other artists them because what? Them don't want to see nothing good happen for the rest of artists them. I joke this.
Hello.
Foota Hype was seen at the Humanitarian ceremony, viewers and subscribers, and he was videoing and everything. And him have a few things to say because, you know, we know say man Kartel no see eye to eye and him, you know, him burn out Kartel when him ready. So viewers and subscribers, Foota Hype was seen videoing. Well, somebody capture him a video or him did the live, I think, a video the whole thing. So viewers and subscribers, me go play a clippings with Foota Hype speaking on a video also. And him have a whole lot of things to say. He must say him play a key role in this whole, you know, this whole humanitarian award and this whole ceremony. And he also was sending shades at some of the what they call them, the internet influencers like One Kevin and Battyface, aka Gaza Uncle. He was saying that enough of them where you see out there where I go like them as somebody, them not have no merit, them not have no credential, and him alone could have made this possible. Enough of them where after wait on the exclusive videos or the pictures them for bring it public or expose it out the viewers and subscribers. So listen to where Foota Hype have to say people.
So, Instagram, this is the great lady. This is Mayor Grant, right? She's the mayor of Lauderhill. And she works relentlessly to keep the culture going. Now, if you remember the Sizzler concert, she is the same organizer for the Sizzler concert that was like Independence, right? So, I want to ask you a question, right?
We have to get to the commission meeting.
Yeah, they have
but
to
just
wait.
Instagram.
This is very
no,
important.
Instagram.
How did you get this to happen?
Listen.
Vybz Kartel, Beanie Man, Busy Signal, and Spragger.
The help of God and thank you.
Yeah? With the help of God and Foota Hype, okay? Yeah.
God is the greatest. Good night, everybody. Oh, big up the artist. RIG, everybody, panel. You don't know me snare, big up, no flow. Thank you, guys.
Him say him out. So, Gaza fans are eat that food and not more food for the night. We'll have to just accept we for the rest of the night.
All of the artists have to take pictures with my mom before you guys leave.
Kartel gone.
So at this time, if we can please put up our next artist.
I have to see how I stay and make sure everybody see them favorite artists, right? I'm gonna buy us some chop out nobody, you understand? Yeah. So, I don't know how it go.
I put that outside now.
Yeah, you know it go. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's how you think set Jeremy. Yeah, man, take care. I go on, sir. Everything good? Yes. I like this place, you know. Yes, I like this place. Yeah. So, as I'm saying, Instagram, you have to understand there's levels to this thing. That's why I don't accept when people call me blogger and them something. Because my thing greater than blogging. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. I am a, what do you call it now? Intellectual delegate. I am in the archives of the greats and the greatest. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we don't play the little normal thing. You see me? So, I want to know the thing go. Yeah. It was a great moment. Oh, right. How are you there? Which my park?
Alright, that's what we park there.
Ah. Are you enjoy this? Oh. Yeah, so you know the thing go.
Nah, you sure there's security?
No man, they know I'm a good man. Yeah, so as me I say, Instagram. Me have to go on exclusive footage. Very super exclusive. You understand? On a regular blogger can't go on them exclusive here. You see it? Yeah. Me alone. Some of them they've been invited here, so they can't come here, so they not the credentials. Yeah. Want to say them and them a shine. Alright, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Enough love. History was made. Big up Mayor Grant. You should tell us it wouldn't be possible without me. I'm not have to go into details and spell it out, yeah? dancehall at our one. You see me, one of the greatest moments this in the history of dancehall. And on the list what she said she couldn't do it without me. Me now have to explain what she mean by that. You understand? We have to just know what she mean by that. Yeah, so we have to say big up Spragga the Benz on the ends, big up Beanie Man, big up Vybz Kartel, big up Busy Signal. History was made. You see me? Yeah. Remember, nobody and a friend like that. Everybody have them own issues. Big up here, sir. Enough respect. Yes. I'm dial it, cause I'm there for Instagram live. I don't want to ball it out. I love how to secure the place, man.
Yeah, man.
Come like then they expect problem.
Well, if I'm here, that's not going to happen.
Yeah. Big up the whole team, man. Yo! You see next time you come secure me, you have to have longer clip, brother. You can't walk with them look a short clip there. And we are bad people, you have to carry 31 clip them down. They look a 15 clip them now work. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up Wayne one that too, you know. Super Twitch, Crabber.
So that is what Foota Hype had to say, viewers and subscribers. Wanna leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think.
They be asking what I'm up to. Stacking paper as usual. On island with 2 girls.
So fans are out here speculating and asking where is Masicka, viewers and subscribers. They're saying that it has been like 3 weeks now since Masicka has previewed this song on your screen, viewers and subscribers. So they're out here asking where is Masicka, Wagwan, why am not in the mix? It has been almost 3 months and Masicka not drop a song yet in the space of dancehall. So they're curious. They must say, yo, it come like Masicka last, him can't find the music. Like Jaja God, viewers and subscribers. It is just crazy. Me I ask the same question. It leaves me to wonder. I want to go on for Masicka in him career. I'm not drop no music yet. But we understand that, you know, him signed to a label, so him have to work on that a certain exclusive quality control level. So people I wonder and I ask, Masicka, where you there? 3 months gone in a year and you not drop no song. I want to go on. Previous viewers and subscribers.
Oh, to blood clot over Masicka there. February almost done. And Masicka is nowhere to be found. You see man preview a song where me now want care and I say people wonder where him there. And you are tell me say the man hear Cartel 3 banger them. And the man decides, you know, I'm not even release that song where me that go release me. I have to make up back to a different song. Because right you know. The game change, you know, when I say the game change. So if you now come with something good, no come with nothing at all. Don't come with nothing at all because me I tell you say, Cartel take over back dancehall. I'm sorry for the little vendetta fans them still. Because them done dead already, you know. Them dead over 3 years now to blow. So them not even make no sense them even try come back because them dead. But Masicka, I can't believe say Cartel did a hand over Gaza to you. Gaza was there for you get. But just through your dunce, just through you don't know for wait your turn, just through your dark, illiterate and fool. And want run before you walk before you creep. You violate.
January, it couldn't be nobody else than a Gaza man. Jaja God, viewers and subscribers. Gaza fans, them are always worried about everything what the other artists them are doing. Them not worried about what them artists are do. But the man them out here are worried about what other artists are do. The man I say, yo, Masicka, him not hear from him. I wonder how Masicka not drop no song yet. You see how the other side them always press and worry about the artists them, what them are do from what them not do. Viewers and subscribers. This brother say Alkaline can't find a song for the past 3 years. How when last Vybz Kartel find a song? Not just what him find Gaza is the greatest. And from 2019, Vybz Kartel and find a good solid hit song. You know, just the other day him find God is the greatest. And God is the greatest is a song where it's not always a play in a party because the people them want to hear dancehall. God is the greatest is like a church music. So Where I say, brother, a foolishness you talk about viewers and subscribers. Gaza man's them out here are worried about what the other artists them do. Them artists have an album a forward soon, but them not worry about that. Them are worried about when Masicka do, if Masicka not drop a song yet, or when him gonna drop a song. But viewers and subscribers, Masicka is an artist where I saw him stay, him not drop songs like that. Him all take all 4 months before him drop a song. Last year, the same thing him do. Every year, Masicka do this, where he make all 2-3 months pass before him drop a song. And sometimes Alkaline will do this too. Masicka follow the Alkaline trend to see how much power him have in a dancehall, to see if the fans them are wait pan him are hungry enough for wait for him music. So him a show him power in a dancehall, say him fans them I get impatient, or the other fans them I get impatient, so them I wait tirelessly for the music. So I guess him see say him accomplish, and I feel like that song where my preview it might hit just like how it for it, because the fans them I wait and the people them I ask where him up to, them I wonder where him up to. But viewers and subscribers, make me know anything about what the brother said. Them man I worry. Him a worry about the artist them, and him not worry about female artists.
Top of the afternoon. Every day above ground is a blessing, chat. Always remember that. Yo, Masicka. Me see a preview of a song, you know. Where you wait upon for drop a song, dog? Where you wait upon for drop a song? Where you do wait until Mavado song and Vybz Kartel song water down before you drop a song? Because Vybz Kartel never wait until the space water down. Mavado never wait until the space water down before them drop them song, you know. No, dog. Them just drop them song. Yeah, man. Them just drop them song, Reggie, and make the rest, make it do the rest. So, Masicka, don't tell me say you're a coward in a Reggie. Drop your song, man. Drop your song. You know how long it, yo, you preview your song over 2 weeks now, you know. But you preview your song over 2 weeks now. So where you wait upon to drop your song, dog? Drop your song, man. From song a bad song, man. The rest, the crowd will make it do the rest, man. Oh, I'm telling you, man.
Masicka and the genocide fans, who see the apps them out here wait for the artist for drop. Make sure so when him drop, you know, it's a solid hit song, you know. Because if his song flop, them a go laugh after him. Masicka, them a wait for you for drop. And from the looks of that preview there, it sound like every other Masicka we may ever hear still, you know. But you know it go, every artist have them signature sound. And if the song solid and have the good message in it, then it will hit. But Masicka, them a wait for you for drop. And if it no drop, if it drop and drop, boof, and nobody no hear it, then them all laugh after you. Them a go chastise you. Them a go criticize you. So Crux fans, you no better tell you artist say make sure say him drop a solid hit song. Yes, you long him make his fans them a wait out here, especially the apps them on the other side. Almost 3 months. So if him drop a song and it flop, him in a deep shit. Viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. Although I'm not rate that boy a elder skip, but as him said, just drop his song, and if the fans them say them a work with it, or if the fans them a work with it, then it will go on and do what it for do. But drop your song, Masicka. Stop be a coward, dog. Viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. You know what's going on. Vibes and Inside with Nando with another episode. I'm out thing. I will catch you guys on another episode. I'm out. Peace.